Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing Animal Jam Play Wild. Yeah! So if you don't know what Animal Jam Play Wild is, it is a game. If you don't know what Animal Jam is or Animal Jam Play Wild, normal Animal Jam is a computer version. This is the mobile version for like tablets and phones and all that stuff. So it's free. However, you do have to pay for sapphires. Or if you're already paid for membership, then you won't have to do that. And it's like a kids game. So yeah, you can see I have some Pegasus armor on in a minute. Please don't make this such a... Okay, I'm gonna turn this down. Okay, so I'm gonna be buying a new den today. You ready to? Okay, Ember gift. That's how you also get sapphires. I'm just gonna turn it up. Okay, so Fox got the jade necklace. I want a cheese hat. That's my wolf. I think it looks pretty cute. Where easily is. Oh, I found 100 gems. How do I know when I found it? Okay, I kind of want a jade necklace more. Oh, I found it! See, it's usually in that spot. Oh my god, this lion thing, like, everything is lion. My females. So there's something that's bunny that I want to try to get. So I'm gonna get a bunny. How many gems do I have? Oh, I can't get a bunny. Never mind. Actually, how many sapphires do I have? I'm gonna get a den. So let's go to Coral Canyons. Where's Coral Canyons? I like walking to places more than going on the map and going to them. So, oh no, it's full. Wait, is Find Open World in the settings? Chat bubbles, video requests. Okay, I'm gonna tell everybody I'm recording. I'm recording. Say hi. So I just told everybody that I'm recording. Say hi. Yeah, I'm recording, people. Okay, I'm just gonna teleport to Coral Canyon then. It takes forever to load. Here it is. I'm actually go to the wolves only place I may. The only thing I don't like about this is it's a lot harder to earn gems. Oh, I just went to the wolf cave. I don't want to be here. I want to... Do I have a thing? Do I have a full moon necklace on right now? No, I don't have a neck item. Did you see that? It was like a floating earmuff. Wait a minute. Wow. No, I don't have any neck item on. Jade necklace. Oh, that looks really cool. I'm gonna keep that on. I'm recording. Okay, let's tell everybody here that I'm recording. Oh, there's nobody here. Oh, yay! Oh, I thought it was open. No. Oh, I'm gonna tell this person. Say hi to the can't spell camera. I'm recording. Say hi to the web. All you buddies, say hi to the web. Oh, and Wolf. I'm recording. Say hi to the web. I'm recording, people. I'm recording. Okay, that person's. Are you gonna say? Wants to be your buddy. Okay. Let's go ahead and get it done. In the den shop. Oh my god, I can never walk indoors. It's so hard in Animal Jam Play Wild. SansPop12 is my username, by the way. So if you see like a SansPop22 or SansPapyrus12, that's not me. Wait, let's try to find if there's anyone else. Ooh, I like the treehouse. I'm gonna get the treehouse instead. I got the treehouse. I don't know why I just like saw it, thought it was 100 gems and bought it. I'm just weird and I do that. My first ever den besides the treehouse. What I like about sapphire dens is they're a lot bigger. I can't wait to decorate this. I don't have very many items, so I am gonna have to go shopping. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's an elevator! That is so cool! Can you go down, Bella? I have to use a slide to get down. I cannot wait to decorate this. Oh my god. This is amazing. I want to make a Let's Play series of this, by the way. What's down here? Is there anything down here? LA slide! How much is this? I can't wait to make a Let's Play of this. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my god, I love this. I want to see what floors look like in it. So the floor. Doesn't. Oh, it's down there. What? There's two of me. Oh no! Why are there two of me? What? What the heck? I do not get this. Oh my god, that's so weird. Okay, wallpapers. Okay. Let's put the home theater. Where am I gonna put my like living room? I think right there is a good. Right here's a good spot. No, I don't want my TV on the wall. Like that. And then the neon fox sign will go on the wall right here. And then the couch. Wait, what? Okay, here it is. Okay. And I'll put the coffee table right here and the tea set. Where did I give away my tea set? Here it is, teapot set. Oh my god, den decorating in Animal Jam Play Wild is the hardest thing. Okay, that looks good. Let's see, we need some stuff down here. Oh, where's all my questions? Oh. There we go. Let's put some plushies in this on the top room. Why is there two of me? It makes no sense. Okay, what am I gonna have right here actually? My tea's out there. Let's put a fox banner up on the wall because I have a fox. Let's put a bookshelf. Put it right by the fox banner. It's a bit easier to decorate and play wild though, because like the items spin all the way around when in normal Animal Jam you can't do that. It's just like a one more thing. I mean, you can switch it, but yeah. I just put a plaid couch in here. This is a starter couch that you start with. Actually, what's with that? I don't know if you can walk up here. I'm gonna put it right here. So my battery's low, but that's okay. Can you guys still hear me? I hope you guys can. Okay. Put the gazebo down. Put it. I don't want my gazebo. You know, I'm not gonna put the gazebo in. Back there. There you go. Put the vertical planner in. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's this 4 item. You're supposed to like line up on your wall. Okay. I need a welcome mat. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. I am gonna decorate up here in that balcony part, but let's go ahead and look everywhere. Wish you could. Okay, right here's the entrance. I don't know if you can get out of this end. Okay, let's go downstairs. And then you're greeted by a nice couch. I forgot that was there. I'm gonna have to move it. Right there. Okay. Oh my god! Guys, wait, if I say something. Oh my god, that's so creepy! Oh my god! Can I? Oh my god, that's so creepy! Okay, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this episode. I hope you enjoyed me being creeped out by my copy. And yeah, bye.